Think credit cards are just plastic money? Think again. They can either make you thousands in rewards or trap you in a cycle of debt. But what if you could use them like the rich do, to travel for free, build wealth, and boost your credit score? In this video, I'm revealing the secrets of credit cards, how they work, how to get the best one, and how to use them to your advantage. Plus, I'll show you how to transfer money from your credit card to your bank account without insane fees. Stay with me. This could change your financial life. A credit card is basically a short-term loan from a bank. You swipe it, the bank pays on your behalf, and then you pay the bank back later. But here's where it gets tricky. If you don't pay on time, the interest rates can be brutal. Some people fall into the trap of only making minimum payments and end up drowning in credit card debt. That's why it's essential to understand how interest works. Most credit cards have an APR, annual percentage rate, and if you carry a balance, the bank charges you interest daily. Understanding the billing cycle and grace period can help you avoid unnecessary fees. Another crucial aspect is understanding the difference between statement balance and current balance. Many cardholders see a balance due and panic, but in reality, as long as they pay the statement balance before the due date, they won't pay interest. Learning these small but critical details can make a massive difference in managing credit wisely. Applying for a credit card is easy, but getting approved depends on your credit score and financial history. Some banks, like American Express, have strict approval criteria, while others offer secured credit cards for beginners. If you're new to credit, start with a secured card, use it wisely, and slowly climb the credit card ladder to better rewards and benefits. Factors like income, employment status, and existing debt also impact approval. If you get denied, check your credit report for errors and improve your score before applying again. Some banks also offer pre-approval tools, which allow you to check your eligibility before formally applying. Another strategy is applying for store credit cards, which often have lower approval requirements. However, these cards tend to have high interest rates, so use them carefully. A credit card is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used wisely or recklessly. Here are a few golden rules. Never spend more than you can pay off. Pay your bill in full every month. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. That means if your limit is $1,000, don't spend more than $300 at a time. Use cashback and rewards to your advantage. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Don't close old credit accounts unless necessary, as they help your credit age. Negotiate your interest rates with banks if you have a strong payment history. One of the best things about credit cards? Rewards! Travel lovers swear by travel credit cards like the American Express Gold Card, which earns you points for flights and hotels. If you're more into cashback, cards like the Apple credit card give you instant returns on every purchase. There are also category-specific cards that offer higher rewards on groceries, dining, or gas. By strategically using multiple cards, you can maximize your rewards and even travel for free with points and miles. Did you know some people use credit card churning? A technique where they open multiple cards just for the sign-up bonuses and close them afterward? While this method can yield great rewards, it requires careful planning and a good understanding of credit impact. Need cash from your credit card? Some banks allow cash advance transfers, but beware, this often comes with high fees and interest. Instead, look for balance transfer cards or apply for a cash installment plan, like the one offered by BDO Credit Card, which lets you break payments into smaller, manageable amounts. Another option is using third-party apps that facilitate money transfers, but always check for transaction fees. Some methods involve using PayPal or Venmo, but these come with their own restrictions and potential penalties. Got credit card debt? Here's how to get rid of it fast. Pay more than the minimum. If you're only paying the minimum, you're letting the bank win. Use the snowball or avalanche method. Snowball, pay off the smallest debts first. Avalanche, pay off the highest interest debt first. Transfer balances to a lower interest card. Make bi-weekly payments to reduce interest. Consider a side hustle to generate extra cash for debt payments. Negotiate with your credit card company for lower interest rates. Use windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses to pay off large chunks of debt. Your credit card due date is not the only day you should care about. Paying before your statement closing date can actually boost your credit score. Early payments reduce your reported credit utilization, making you look financially responsible to lenders. If possible, pay off your balance multiple times a month to keep utilization low and improve your creditworthiness. Here are some of the best credit cards right now. Best for cashback. Chase Freedom Unlimited earns up to 5% cashback on certain categories. Best for travel. American Express Platinum offers premium lounge access and travel credits. Best for beginners. Discover It Secured, a great starter card with cashback rewards. Best overall. American Express Gold Card, ideal for dining and travel points accumulation. We've all seen the memes. People swiping their cards without checking their balance, then acting shocked at their credit card bills. Don't be that person. Manage your credit, use your card strategically, and you'll never have to fear your bank statement again. Some of the funniest memes include me, I'll just buy one thing, also me maxes out card, and checking my bank account after a shopping spree. Error 404 funds not found. One of the biggest factors in your credit score is credit utilization, how much credit you're using compared to your total limit. A high utilization rate can hurt your score, so keeping it below 30% is crucial. If you want to increase your credit limit, request an increase from your bank, but make sure you're financially responsible before doing so. Credit cards come in different tiers, from beginner-level secured credit cards to premium luxury cards like the American Express Platinum. Choosing the right card depends on your spending habits. If you travel frequently, a travel rewards card is best. If you prefer cashback, look for a high cashback rate. High-tier cards come with premium perks like concierge services, travel insurance, and lounge access, but also high annual fees. Credit cards are powerful financial tools when used correctly. They can build your credit, earn you rewards, and even give you free flights. But misuse them, and they can trap you in endless debt. The choice is yours. Use them wisely, pay on time, and maximize rewards. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you in the next one.